Welcome to the Paigefamily Homestead. This was outside building raised beds and painting with Andy. Wow, I'm not covered. Anyway, while we came in to have some water. Yeah, we have a well. Why we have this is because we just moved and we bought like how many cases for the guys, and these are residual. So once they're gone, just well water, which we're happy for. Found something on the front stoop. So, Angie from Life and More Reloaded. I now get to play with the big girls. I got my air fryer. Look at that. Now, do you see the boxes on the couch? There's two of them. This one was in one that fit this one, which was in the big one, which, yeah, how many trees need to die for my wanting
an air fryer. It's all your fault.
I know. So here's the instructions. Deb's way, I'm like,
oh, look, it says right there, buy a tree and replant. Okay.
I will read it. Because I don't know what I'm doing with this at all. Yeah, see there, the antenna. This is why Peggy's going to read the instructions. Yeah. Does that not look like... I got an air fryer. Oh, I detested using... Oh, there's just something in there. Using the oil and then straining it and draining it. And the house stinking like grease and, you know, always on a jam night. So everybody comes in, oh, you had fish. No more. No more. Oh.
Like I said, the rotisserie.
And said the rotisserie was extremely small. So these are for people who raise those little birds.
You know what it's for? Bangladesh duck.
There you go. Look for it. Bangladesh duck. Is that a thing?
No. Jeez, Peggy. Negative.
Danger. Always tie these in a knot when you have children or an Andy.
Because I just might run and throw it on my head.
Now there's stuff here. Hang on. Oh.
Slingshot.
Romper too. No, this is for...
See what you can make come true.
No.
A witchin'.
Witchin'.
For water.
There you go, Arkansas.
Not only an air fryer, but a witcher too.
We can make it anything we want. It's bought and paid for. It's ours now. Burn pile.
Burn pile, yep.
And if we don't get rain pretty soon, I can see there being a burn ban. This sucker's heavy, man. Oh. And then more poison to put in the recycling.
Yeah.
And another box, which may have instructions for quick, cheap instructions. So I'll also read that. And it's got pictures.
R2-D2. Look at that.
Hey, it's supposed to have that thing in there for making French fries. Why is that not in there?
It's inside the thing, Peggy. If you turn it around,
Oh, I'm missing things. And there's warning, you know, do not take this off the life of the mattress stickers.
Mattress sticker, yeah.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Boom! I can make your recipes now, too.
Boom chili.
Wait, is there a special way to open?
You just opened it.
Yeah. That was the
special.
First time I opened it. Oh, wow. Oh, hell. Maybe I shouldn't have opened it. How do you get this out?
What?
Well, they're so good with their packaging and keeping it safe. Look at the little quail egg holder.
That's a little tiny Tim Hortons cup holder. Look at that, if you want tiny coffees.
No, it's mine. It's my rules. It's for quail eggs. Everybody needs one.
Yeah.
Order an air fryer to get yours today. Okay, so this is something. This is going... Oh, this is two somethings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those
are the racks. And for those Wednesday nights when the TV won't come on, bingo.
Oh, bingo.
Yeah, the tumbler.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, look at that, Andy.
And it's got another quail egg holder.
Another quail holder. There we go. I have just as much fun with the packaging. I've never grown up. Okay, so this opens somehow.
You put a gerbil in it.
No, you don't. I don't want to break it.
Then don't.
Do you push it? Oh.
Oh, you broke it.
I can do
I think that's the rotisserie. No, it's not.
No, it's for throwing your food, you know, like, look. And then your fries go in there on that thing, and they cook. That's awesome. I'm guessing.
Yeah, so you are.
More packaging. And handy dandy drip tray. Non-stick, I think. I don't know. That's cool. So that's the accessories. So these are the shells. You don't mind staying here playing with Peggy, right? Oh, paper, tape. Don't need that. That'll catch a fire. And then here. Now, there's more. More, you say?
I dare not say.
There's a black
Sam,
screen here that I think I need to plug in to operate. Would that be a pretty good assumption, Andy?
That would be a pretty good assumption.
Warning. To avoid overheating the unit, don't plug in. No, it doesn't say that. And what is this one anyway?
It's an air dryer.
Chefman?
Chefman,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Chefman.
Chefman. From Amazon. And there's a piece on there I can't get off without a knife, Android.
Yep.
Oh, what are we doing for supper tonight?
Whatever we want. Oh, and the deep fryer, the air fryer.
Who's going to use it first, Andy?
You are.
You think so?
Oh, it's yours.
Well, no, it's ours.
I know, but you know what I mean. You bought it. You wanted it. Da da da
And
da.
Angie wants some Andy videos on her playlist too. So there's dials up here. Does this open at all?
Oh, not that way. I'm
Maybe I
just kidding.
shouldn't break it.
Yeah, good idea.
Maybe I should plug it in. I'm going to take this over to the counter, plug it in and play. Figure out what I'm doing wrong. And then read the manual and look at the pictures on the box. So stay tuned, everyone. We're going to be joining hashtag Let's Air Fry. Hashtag Let's Air Fry.
Angie, give it to her.
At Life and More Reloaded. Watch out. The Paige family's coming to play. Give us that thumbs up, like, and all that stuff, and ring that
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-ling bell.
Catch you later.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, that too. I got an air fryer.